So this is a very pretty easy fix, you know. This is the rear side of the E36 BMW from 1997 here, you know. This is the last version. I think they are all the same. This is the third, the one with the third stop light in the bumper, on the trunk, sorry. And this is an easy fix because after some years, the car is actually 25 years old now. And this is what happens with the rubber standard part provided by BMW. You have to lift a little, you know, the upper side, the underside of the rubber, and place it back. And because this part is not available from BMW spares, nothing is currently available. And I also have the code there of the original part provided by BMW. So it was the one tinted in turquoise, I think, or light blue. And this is pretty easy fix. You can make it with this easy rubber. Look the section of it. This is the smallest I found, because you know you need to replace the rubber here, and I think you have to make it in two steps. The first steps will be to change just this rubber, slightly bigger, you see, compared to the original one. Slightly bigger. That is completely dry. As you can see, this is completely dry, and no use for it, and no way to fix it any longer. And you have to apply this stuff with proper glue. You don't need a generic glue, but you need just one made for rubber and able to resist to temperatures. And I used this one that I fixed for rubber boots, you know, so I think it's working. So I think it needs now 24 hours to fix in the first glue. So the glue was placed basically between this line inside there, and to become straight to the tissue. You know, it's time-consuming work because it takes nearly half an hour to make it correctly and properly done. But then you are, I think, okay with several years more. It's a little bit bigger than the original one, you know, but because my rear frame is still in good condition, I don't want to change it, and it's still an original part. All the stuff in this car is still completely original, all the glasses. So you see, they are still the original one. That is not so common in quite old and used BMW. So that's it, and the next step will be maybe tomorrow, in a couple of days, when the glue will be properly fixed. I will fix also this underline carefully to the frame inside to make it completely sealed, you know. This is the one with the zip inside. Thanks for watching.